Hey guys, I'm Lami, I'm a designer for Creator Team. Today I just want to tell a little story about how Lego product could be delivered to the Lego store. You have to take up soon, buy weather is coming. No, we need to wait for a few more minutes. The truck with Lego box is not here yet. Oh wait, I can see the truck. Mayday, mayday! We are hit by the light. We have to landing. Oh, we are lucky. We can landing on harbor. The seaplane can deliver the pack for us. Let's unload the Lego box. Hi ferry guys, can you take over the packages, please? Of course we can. Where's the truck? It's late. I need my Lego stuff. Oh, there it is. It's on the ferry. With the transport chopper and the mini vehicle, you can also build a seaplane and a ferry with a truck.